Hello guys, so fufu lovers, this video is for you. You can go to the market or go to your farm and harvest your cassava tubers. You peel them off, soak them between 3 to 4 days. They will ferment. When you touch it, you feel that it's soft. Then you have to sieve it. This person meshed her own in the blender. Of course, you can also do it this way. Then sieve off the fiber, allow it to drain. Then you can now process it following the steps in this video. Do enjoy your day, and I also love you to try this out and eat your very fresh fufu as you like it. You can enjoy it with bitter leaf soup, okra soup, egusi soup, and so on. Thank you.